Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. Can you transfer money abroad with Starling Bank? Now, I know that a lot of people use Starling Bank for their everyday banking needs, and it's a great bank for that. But what about if you need to send money to another country? Can you do that with Starling Bank? The answer is yes. You can transfer money abroad with Starling Bank. In fact, it's a pretty simple process. Before we get into the steps, let's talk about why you might want to transfer money abroad. There are a few reasons, such as paying for tuition fees or rent for a student living abroad, sending money to family or friends who live in another country, paying for goods or services from a foreign company, investing in foreign stocks or bonds. Now that we know why you might want to transfer money abroad, let's get into the steps on how to do it with Starling Bank. Step 1. Open the Starling Bank app. Step 2. Tap on the Send Money tab. Step 3. Select International Transfer. Step 4. Enter the recipient's name, bank details, and the amount of money you want to transfer. Step 5. Choose the currency you want to transfer the money in. Step 6. Review the details of your transfer and confirm. Once you've confirmed your transfer, the money will be on its way to the recipient. The time it takes for the money to arrive will depend on the country you're sending it to. Here are a few things to keep in mind when transferring money abroad with Starling Bank. Starling Bank charges a fee for international transfers. The fee will vary depending on the country you're sending money to. You'll need to provide the recipient's bank details, including their IBAN number and BIC code. You may need to provide additional information, such as the recipient's address or purpose of the transfer. Overall, transferring money abroad with Starling Bank is a simple and straightforward process. If you have any questions, you can always contact Starling Bank customer support. So, there you have it. You can transfer money abroad with Starling Bank. I hope this information is helpful. And if you have any other questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.